Hello everyone, I'm Brut Code. I'm a 14-year-old developer. Welcome to Brut Code, and in this channel you learn web3 coding from a 14-year-old guy. Hello everyone, you're watching Brut Code, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about wallets and your portfolio management. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight to it. So I will switch to my browser, and the first website for you is Metamask. So Metamask is a user-friendly wallet that you can interact with in your browser. So if I just open up my Metamask, you could see here. Let me just enter in my password, and okay, so this is it. Another message. So you see here, this is Metamask wallet, and there are certain test networks, and you can manage your funds over here. You could send money to another account, or you could also transfer between your accounts, and currently Rinkeby is depreciated, so it's giving the errors. But if I switch on to Goli, and let me just see, loading. So balances are currently very unstable on testnets because of the depreciation. So if I just shift to the Polygon mainnet, you could see a 14.793 matic, and I could send it, or I could also view my portfolio. So this is the new feature added by Metamask to their wallet. You could easily view your portfolios, and you could see you have Ethereum $15, $11, 1, 1, and 0.06, and your net worth also. So this is something that you could view, and this is a cool feature added to Metamask. So if I just close it now, the next website for you is Metamask Flask. So Metamask Flask is basically the same Metamask fork for developers. So if you're a developer and you want bleeding edge features and you want all that bling, so this is what Metamask Flask brings you. So if I just open up my Metamask, and if I just show you my settings tab, okay, so this if you show your test networks on this Metamask, you could see here Goli and Sepolia, and it does not show any Rinkeby, Robson, or Kovan test network. So if you just go into settings, and you see here there is another tab called snaps. So if you go in here, I have currently one snap installed, which is of consensus Starknet snap. So this basically is if you want to integrate your code with your Metamask and extend its functionality, you could do so. So for example, consensus Starknet is on layer 2, and it just bridges my Goli account to layer 2. So you see here, I've connected my account to this Starknet snap, and you see here my account address is 0x172, and on the layer 2 it is 0x16a. So currently my this and this account is similar. So you see here, this is the transaction that occurred. So if I view it, it will go on the Explorer and will show us the details. So you could see here layer 1 transaction hash, and if I go into layer 1 transaction hash, you see here the Goli Etherscan transaction hash. So that was it for snaps. Next, moving on, you could easily go to, let's say, you could go to Ganache. So if you go and learn more, Ganache is basically a local blockchain that you could install and you could run quickly. So for that, let me just switch to my desktop view, and you see here that we have if we run Ganache CLI in the command line, you see 10 accounts with 1000 ETH each and some 10 private keys. You also get a mnemonic. So this is basically a fake account. These funds are not real, and they are only used by developers for deploying, and no other things are done on this local blockchain. So next, moving on to, I have another website for you all, that's Zapper.fi. Zapper.fi is similar to the portfolio feature we saw here. If I just open it quickly, if I just go to portfolio site, And if I just view my funds over here, so you see here it also shows net worth, but it gives us more detailed information, and this just shows that how much holdings we do have. So and the net worth over here is $30, and over on this DApp it is $35. So this means it shows that how much is claimable. So you see here this much amount is claimable, so that means that's my staking rewards. You see here I have Ethereum, Matic, Sushi Dai. This is similar to Metamask, but then I have this apps column where I can see that on QuickSwap I have got liquidity mining rewards, and WMatic WETH pair I've got some rewards too. Next, I see SushiSwap Bento Box. I see my wrapped BTC holdings and Sushi holdings and all of that, and I see all my funds on a single page. So that was all for Zapper.fi. Moving on to ultrasound.money. Ultrasound.money is a cool website if you want to check the Ethereum supply changes and the merge things, and you could simulate your proof of work, and you could check out 0.15% per year and all of that. So if I just close it, you see updated 11 seconds ago. So this gives you precise and accurate measures of the movements in the Ethereum market. You also get the gas price over here and the current price of Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently trading down, and you could also set price alerts. So if I set price alert for this, and I will not set it now for now, you could join the farm. So this is another feature of ultrasound.money. You could check the supply growth, the burn rate, the issuance, gas market, the average gas price. So average gas price is 27 GUI, the base fees, and ETH supply also. And finally, you see here the proof of stake supply projections. So this says that ETH will be inflationary till October 2023, and the highest point will be 118.9 million Ethereum. So that's somewhere near 120 million Ethereum, and then it will fall, and till October 2222 it will be 44.8 million ETH. So ETH is going to be inflationary now and then deflationary. So this views that. Then there's the burn rate and the burn total. So after the merge, there is 2382 ETH burned, and you also see very much information over here. So you see NFTs, you see coins, you see monetary premium, and yeah, all of that. And this doesn't seem to end. Okay, so yeah, it's end. Next is CoinTool. So CoinTool is another tool like ultrasound.money, but this is with advanced features, let's say. So if I connect my MetaMask, I'll connect the first wallet. If I connect it, and you see here my wallet is connected, you see the greed index, crypto fear and greed index. So you could decide that you want to hold or sell. Then you have the ETH or BNB burn rate. So if I switch to Ethereum, loading. So yeah, 121.35 ETH fee burn. So it is fee burn currently. And if I see all, so from the starting of Ethereum, 2,650,535 ETH are fee burned. And then you have the extension. So currently I have the extension installed too. So if you see my extension, it's installed over here. You see fast, normal, slow, and that's it. Next if I want to show you, I could show you the gas price. I think it's here. So if I go in tools, let me see instructions. So there's something called as gas over here. So let me just see token gas price. Yep. And if I go to Ethereum, you see here the current Ethereum gas price will pop up, and well, let's wait till it goes through. And you see here the fastest speed is let it load. So coin to happy, it's yeah. So the fastest speed is 31, the normal speed is 30, and the slow speed is 29. So there is not much difference between the gas prices. There is not much difference between 85 cents, 83 cents, and 80 cents. And here it shows other information like gas guzzlers and everything else. And if I switch to Polygon, it will show the Polygon gas price as you can see here. So just give it a second. And yeah, so the fastest is 52 Gwei, but as you see down here, the price is very less than Ethereum, as it is on layer 2 and it is scalable. So Polygon has less gas fees. And if I close this, so this was all for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you want more of such content, please consider hitting the bell icon. And also follow me on Twitter for more such content. I post very useful content like where have I applied, Infura Developer Community Call. So this is a nice event you could come to. I would like to see you all. Then I also post things like scams that come to me. Next, I also post my YouTube videos over here. So if you miss out on anything, you could view my Twitter portfolio and you could easily catch up with me. So thanks for watching, and that was all for wallets and portfolio. I hope you liked it. Thanks and bye bye.